G'day guys, it's Dean here. Today we're going to look at fitting one of these outboard covers to my Mercury Pro XS. Good thing about the cover, she'll protect it from anything, you know, it's tree branches, scratches, stone chips, people bumping lures into it, all that sort of stuff. Pretty new motor, nice to look after it. So purchased one of these Mercury covers. I'm sure there's aftermarket ones, but this is the genuine Mercury one. So not only does it look the part, looks the same as the motor. She's nice and soft on the inside, all lined, so it's not going to scratch anything. Got the nice big vent holes straight through the cover here. Lines up with the vent holes on the motor. So this is designed to be left on when you're running the motor, as long as you want. So it's a little bit tricky to get on, so we'll give it a go. We've already cleaned down the engine, dried it off, so that way there's no moisture left under this cover. Back's on, make sure your front comes nice and low. There you have it, cover's on. You can see it still looks quite nice, fits well. Got that airflow there, lines up perfectly. I would say I'd probably be pulling this off. I'd probably pull this off, I don't know, every couple of months just to make sure there's no grit and grime under the cover, and hopefully, yeah, keeps it in good nick. Thanks guys.